Hello, everybody. These hotlines don't all specialize exclusively in PSLA, but they are the national gateways that connect survivors to legal abuse informed advocates, legal aid, and domestic violence trained attorneys. So they are very useful and they can help get you to where you specifically need to go when it pertains to post-separation legal abuse. The first one is the National Domestic Violence Hotline. They cover a ton of different things. Their phone number is 1-800-799-SAFE, which is 7233. The TTY line is 1-800-787-3224. Or you can text the word START to 88788. They provide crisis support, safety planning, and referrals to legal aid programs and are trained in litigation abuse. The next one is the Office on Violence Against Women, the OVW, and they have a hotline list, which also includes the first one that I just gave, but it also has the number for RAIN, the sexual assault hotline, and that number is 1-800-656-HOPE, which is 4673. There's Strong Hearts Native Helpline, 1-844-762-8483. Teen Dating Abuse Helpline, 1-866-331-9474. And a Victim Connect hotline at 1-855-4-VICTIM, which is 855-484-2846. And then there is the National Network to End Domestic Violence. The NNEDV provides legal information support, tech safety guidance, and referrals to domestic violence informed attorneys. The primary hotline uses the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-SAFE, and the Women's Law Email Hotline, which is an online legal information and support. You can Google Women's Law Hotline and you can pull up their whole website, and they have more information sectioned out on their page. And then there's a National Resource Center on Domestic Violence, and they provide education, policy guidance, and connection to DV-trained legal advocates. And it refers people to the National Domestic Violence Hotline, once again, at 1-800-799-7233, and Strong Hearts Native Helpline at 1-844-762-8483. There's also a few different national organizations that are relevant to the post-separation legal abuse, and one of those is One Mom's Battle. It is a national advocacy group exposing family court abuse and coercive control, and it offers court watch programs, survivor communities, and legal abuse education. And you can just Google One Mom's Battle and you can pull up their website. The next one is Women Matter Alliance, and it's a national organization focused on post-separation abuse, coercive control, and litigation abuse. And they provide advocacy, mental health support, and job readiness services. And once again, just Google Women Matter Alliance and their whole website will pull up. And then there's the Domestic Violence Service Network. They provide the education on post-separation legal abuse and parental alienation tactics. Now, these groups do not publish national hotlines. They operate through online support, advocacy, and referrals. So you do have to Google for them. But the information that you can find on the website for Domestic Violence Service Network, DVSN, is very, very useful. If anybody is needing resources for a certain state, certain county, um, local, if you want to find information for somebody that lives outside of your state, but you talk to regularly and you know that they need some help, I can help you find the information for that. All you have to do is just comment below and, let me know what specific state or specific county and state that you are looking for the information. And I am more than happy to help you find that information. That way, you yourself can stay safe, or you can pass the information along to somebody else that could benefit from it. Have a blessed day, everybody. And remember, safety first.